To create a white flash transition in DaVinci Resolve, follow these steps. Firstly, add 2 video clips to your timeline where you want the transition to occur. Now, head over to the Effects library under Toolbox, then select Video Transitions. Drag the Additive Dissolve transition between your 2 clips. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging its end to make it shorter for a quick flash effect. If you prefer a pure white flash without the dissolve effect, go back to the Effects library and select Generators. Drag the solid color generator onto a track above your video clips on the timeline. Center the clip and trim its duration to your preference. Select the solid color clip on the timeline, then go to the inspector. Click the box next to color and in the pop-up, change the color to white. Click OK to apply the change. Position the time marker at the beginning of your color clip, then in the inspector, change the opacity to 0. Click the keyframe button to create a starting keyframe. Move the time marker to the middle of your color clip and change the opacity to 100 to create a second keyframe automatically. Finally, move the time marker to the end of your color clip and change the opacity back to 0 to create a third keyframe. Now, when you play back the timeline, you'll have a smooth white flash transition between your video clips. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.